morning, students. I am Sonam Jan here. I hope you all are fine. Today I am going to teach you chapter 11, that is the Valley of Flowers. In this chapter, yes, we will discuss about different types of flowers. Yes, in the hills of Uttarakhand, there is a place where there are flowers everywhere, and this place is called the Valley of Flowers. Yes, see students, see here. Where is the Uttarakhand located? Uttarakhand is located in the north part of India. Yes, now see the Valley of Flowers National Park. Fine, see here. Now come to next. In some places red flowers blooming on the bushes, while in other white flowers peeping out from the stones, and in some areas yellow flowers spread like a carpet, and somewhere blue flowers shining like tiny stars. Fine, and all this seems like a beautiful dream. Yes, because like a dream these flowers bloom only for few weeks in the year. Yes, these flowers bloom only for few weeks. When to visit? The Valley of Flowers is only open from the beginning of June until the beginning of October. Yes, have you ever seen so many flowers grow together anywhere? Where? Yes, I have seen many flowers in my school garden. Where you have seen? In the school garden. Yes. How many differently colored flowers have you seen? Write their colors. Pink, yellow, red, orange, purple, blue, white, black. Yes, see the black flower. Fine. Now, yes, in some places you have seen, fine, people make the designs of flowers on the walls of their houses. Yes, these types of designs is called Madhubani. Yes, it is very old form of folk art. And why it is called Madhubani? There is a district in Bihar called Madhubani. Fine, because of that this art got the name Madhubani. Fine, and here in that area the people make the designs on the walls of houses and their courtyard. Fine, on special occasions, on festivals, special occasions and festivals. Fine, see where the Bihar is located. See here, see the location of Bihar. Fine, and in the Bihar, fine, Madhubani is located. Yes, see, people during festivals and happy occasions, the wall of the houses and their courtyards are painted with such pictures. These paintings are made out of paste of powdered rice in which color has been mixed. The color used in Madhubani painting are very special. Yes, the color used in Madhubani painting is very special. To make them, indigo, turmeric, colors from the flowers and trees are used. Yes, yes students. Now you have to draw your own design in your notebook and you have to color it as well. Now come to the word of flowers. Yes, see here, so many flowers are there. You have to mark the tick whatever you can able to recognize. Fine, see the first picture is of hibiscus. See, it is covered in the family of rose, and next picture is of rose. I hope all of you have seen the rose. Next, sunflower. See, the next is marigold. Yes, I hope you have seen sunflower and marigold. Yes, next is of champa. Yes, next mogra. Next tulsi, jasmine, white rose. From the pictures given above and other flowers that you know, give names of to which. grow on trees. Fine, you have to write down the flowers name that grow on trees. Gulmohar, Kadamba. See here, see Gulmohar tree having red color flowers. See, and see here, second one is Kadamba. See the flower of Kadamba plant. Yes, see this is the flower of Kadamba plant. Now come to next question. Grow on bushes. Answer is rose and marigold. Next, grow on creepers. Yes, answer is morning glory and clitoria. Yes, see here, morning glory, and this one is clitoria, purple color, that is clitoria. Next is grow on water plants. Yes, lotus, water lily. See here, see lotus and water lily are aquatic plants. Fine. Bloom only at night. Jasmine and Rajnigandha. See, this one is jasmine and this one is, second one is Rajnigandha. They bloom only at night. Now come to the next question. Fine. Bloom in the day and close at night. Fine. See, these flowers bloom in the day and close at night. Answer is sunflower and Raat Ki Rani. See here, sunflower, and this one is Raat Ki Rani. See, when the night came, then they close their leaflets. Okay. Now come to next question. Which flowers can you recognize by their scent even with your eyes closed? Rose, mogra. Which flower bloom all the year round? Rose, mogra, jasmine. Come to next. Which flowers bloom only in certain months? Marigold, tulip. Are there any trees or plants which never have any flowers? Find out and write. Money plant and pine tree. Fine. You have seen money plant don't have any flower. Fine. Now come to next. Have you ever seen a board like this put up? Fine. Yes, I have seen this type of board in the gardens and the public parks. Yes, and it don't pluck flowers is written on it. Fine. Do people pluck flowers? Yes. No, usually people do not pluck flowers if this type of board is there. Yes. Why they don't pluck flower? Some people obey the rules while some do not. What would happen if everybody plucked flowers? Then there would be no flower. Now, what are the uses of flowers? Flowers are even eaten. Fine. In Uttar Pradesh, people eat a vegetable made of kachnar flowers. In Kerala, people made vegetable from banana flowers. And in Maharashtra, people make pakoras from sesame flowers. Come to next, medicinal uses of flowers. Fine. Find out name of any two flowers which are used for making medicines. Fine. Answer is rose, mogra. Fine. Rose having so many uses. Fine. Rose having so many uses. Rose water is used in skin creams. It can cure skin dryness or irritation. It is used in biryani and lassi. Now colors from flowers. Find out and write the names of the some more flowers that are used for making colors. Fine, you have to write down the flowers name. Yes, rose, hibiscus, marigold, etc. Can you think of a color of which there is no flower? Yes, silver, golden, grey. Fine, that did not we get from flower, I hope. Write the name of such flowers which are used to make scents. Fine, you have to write down the name of flowers which are used for making scents. Fine. See here, rose. Yes, rose, jasmine are used to make scents, ether, etc. Thank you. Have a nice day, friends.